Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome to another new series of V.I Tech Academy. After HTML, we are going to start JavaScript tutorial. Yes friends, many of you are interested to learn JavaScript tutorial, JavaScript, so we are going to start JavaScript tutorial on our YouTube channel. So without much delay, quickly just share this video with your community and ask them to subscribe to this channel, because every Monday we will upload one lesson of JavaScript on this YouTube channel. And if you can't wait for the next episode, you can subscribe us as a member and you can get the episode 7 days earlier, 6 to 7 days earlier, and so much updates also. So guys, today we are going to start JavaScript episode, JavaScript fundamentals with screen readers. So those who are interested to learn programming, JavaScript will be one of the best programming language, because when you do program with JavaScript, when you write program with JavaScript, you can see the instant result. Hi friends, my name is Ratul and I am your programming coach for V.I Tech Academy, and let's get started. So guys, before starting everything, we need to understand what is programming, what is programming language. Some fundamental concepts we will cover in this episode. Remember, you have to watch each and every episode to learn JavaScript and to build dynamic websites using JavaScript. Okay, this is the first dedication which you have to do. Second thing, you have to practice every day, minimum 1 hour. Number 3, you have to build some projects, small programs every day. Try out. Okay, so if you do these things, you will be a good JavaScript developer, or if you're good, you are a good programmer. If you learn JavaScript very well, if your fundamentals concepts will be clear, then you can learn any programming language in future. I will try to make you understand in easy terms, easy words. Still, if you have doubts, comment section is for you. So guys, I will take time and try to make you understand everything. It will not be like other videos, so it will be an exceptional videos for the VI community, I believe. So without further delay, let's start the journey and like the video. Okay, without liking, I cannot understand whether you are interested or not. Okay guys, so let's start. First, we need to understand what is a computer. What is a computer? Why we need to understand? Based on that, we can understand the programming language, etc., etc. So first thing is, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that can perform certain tasks like process data, calculations, take inputs from us, give outputs, etc. Right? If you are agree with me, type agreed in the comment section. Now, this is a computer, we understand. Okay, next, what is programming language? Now we have understood that programming is a set of instructions. But how you can give the instructions? You need something, you need to communicate with your computer. The language you use to communicate with the computer, or the language you use to write a program, is called programming language. For example, you are going to instruct your computer, hey computer, do 5 plus 5. But computer cannot understand your Bengali, your English, your Hindi. Computer can understand C, Java, JavaScript, Python, etc., etc. So you need to write the instruction in that way what the computer understood. So whatever the language you use to write the instruction is called programming language. Type yes into the chat box or comment section if you understand me. Next term is algorithm. Many times we have heard algorithm. Facebook has algorithm, YouTube has algorithm. What is this algorithm? What is this algorithm? For example, I'm just giving you an example. I'll try to make you understand with some examples so that ideas will be clear. For example, you want to make coffee or tea. What do? You have to follow some steps. First, you need to take bowl. You need to take water, cups, kettles. Then you need to pour the water to the kettle, and then you need to put the kettle on the oven. Then you need to turn on the oven, whatever. Then when water hots, then you need to pour it to the cups. Then give the tea leaf. Then add sugar, whatever, right? So there are some steps you need to follow. Algorithm is the steps which you follow while you are instructing the computer using your programming language. For example, you want to print your name, print in the sense of display your name, XYZ. So first you write like this: hey computer, this is my name, I want this name, so you need to print this name or display this name. So the sequence or the steps, like the sequence of writing a code or program, is called algorithm. I hope you got my point. Next, you have already heard syntax. While you are going for the programming, you heard syntax. What is the syntax? Even when you do HTML, you heard this syntax. What is this syntax? Okay, syntax is the grammatical rule of programming language, of writing a programming language. For example, if I am saying like this: the cat sat mat. Are you able to understand? If yes, type yes in the comment section. If no, type no into the comment section. See, if you are interacting with me through the comment section during the video, I can understand, okay, you got the points, or you also understand. So we actually, there is a communication, we build a communication. Okay, what is syntax? Syntax is set of rules. So if I'm saying the cat sat mat, will it is good? No, right? You can't understand. But now I'm saying the cat sat on the mat. Now you can understand what I am trying to say, what I am trying to convey. So what I use some grammatical rules which you know, I know, right? So this is the rule for English grammar. Now syntax is the rule for the programming language, which means it's the rule which tells you how you should write the code so that computer can understand your instruction. So this is called syntax. For example, in HTML, if you want to create one heading, less h1 greater, then text, then less h1 greater. Now if you write h1 greater, or just type less or greater h1 less, then text, then less /h1 greater, will it work? No. You can see the code on your browser. Why? Because you are not following the syntax. So you have to follow the syntax. You have to write the code using the syntax. So these are called syntax. Now some other things which you have to remember, which is not in my note right now. So I'm telling you, difference between programming and coding. Coding and programming are same. What do you think? Let me know into the comment section. In the meantime, if you are interested, you can join our HTML, CSS, JavaScript course. After doing this course, you can do digital accessibility testing where you have more career aspects, and you can go for it also, and then you can get the certificate from us also. If you want to join us any certification course, you can visit our website from the about page of the channel. Also, if you wish to build your website without any coding language, without any coding things, you can join our special course on WordPress with screen readers, WordPress for beginners, which is one of the most popular course in our academy. So visit the website and join now. Okay guys, let's come back to the topic. What is the difference between programming and coding? Is there any difference? Yes, there is difference. For example, I'm just giving an example. Let's say there is an app you want to build, one restaurant app, or let's suppose one app cab app. So what's there? You need to, what is you going to plan? What you are going to plan? You need to have a driver portal. You need to have a passenger portal where passenger can create account. You have to maintain the passengers database, drivers database, right? Then you have to maintain an administration board. So all these are your part of the plan, and then you decide, okay, this way we should write the code, this way we should build a drivers panel, this way we should build administration panel, this way we build. So all over, whatever you plan to build the AppCab application is called the programming. Okay, again I'm saying, programming is not writing XYZ in your notepad or VS Code or whatever. Programming is how you are going to develop the software, how you are thinking about the software, what is going to be the software. Okay, this is programming. And what you write within your notepad or VS Code, whatever, this is called coding. When you write the code, it's called coding. It is not programming. Okay, so this is the difference between programming and coding. Now I need to tell you some important things about JavaScript. JavaScript is a very popular language, especially for websites, mobile applications also, because nowadays you have seen some hybrid applications, mobile applications. Okay, JavaScript is easy to learn, and if you know JavaScript, you can go for the backend development also using Node.js. Okay, and you can go for the React.js. This is for front-end development, advanced level of development. You can go for ARIA. Okay, accessible rich internet application. Okay, now there is a huge difference between HTML and JavaScript. HTML is a markup language. It's just markup language, marking up things, right? But JavaScript is a pure programming language, so it will have much more things than HTML. So there are many episodes we will try to make for you, and it will be a continuous series. Maybe it will take 1 year. I don't know how much year it will take. Maybe it will take 1 year. Every Monday I will try to post one video regarding JavaScript. Those who want to learn, please come on that time and subscribe to this channel also. Visit our Telegram channel also, and you will also receive some important updates there. And so I will today I will not do any code because it's enough for today, I think. So JavaScript is a good language. If you learn this, there are many opportunities for you. Even you can build desktop applications using ECMAScript. I'm not going to more theoretical parts. So next episode we'll try to see how this will work. Okay, and we'll see one demo also. So that's it guys. Please let me know how is the session, how is the class. And first time I have taken a class on YouTube. Before I made videos, but right now I am taking class. It's a new series. So let me know in the comment section how is the session, how was the session, and see you soon in the next session probably. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and happy learning. Bye bye.